Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today's reaction is, of an artist that I'm going to be reacting to the first time. This is an American artist. Her name is Ash Nico. Now, full name is Ashton Nicole Casey. She goes by the stage name Ash Nico. Now, I'm going to be reacting to her song Daisy. This was highly requested by one of my regular viewers. She asked me to check this song out, so I am doing that. And I read up a little about her. No, it's open in front of me as well. She became famous in 2019 with her single Stupid, and that actually got viral in TikTok, and that's how she got all the attention, all the well-deserved attention, I must say. And her music style is sort of that's how she describes it. It's angry punk, hip hop, bubblegum, poo music. I don't know what that means. And her fashion sense, she's also known for her extremely eccentric fashion sense. Her fashion is inspired from Tokyo street fashion. So let's see. I'm really excited to listen to her. I didn't know of this artist. It's this viewer who actually made me aware about her. So I said that please check her out. Her music is a little different, so I might enjoy it, I might not enjoy it, but definitely check her out. So I was like, okay, fine, no problem. So let's react to Daisy by Ash Nico. I'll link the original video in the description box. This premiered on August 7th, 2020. So yes, let's start. All right. Oh my god. Whoa.
You don't wanna see me bratty. Pet the kitty, call me caddy. Make your man call me daddy. He talk too much, he's too chatty. CEO, I'm savvy. Respect the bitch, I'm a maverick. Flexible, so elastic, but don't you dare bend the bitch backwards. Fuck a princess, I'm a king. Bow down and kiss on my ring. Being a bitch is my kink. What the fuck else did you think? Fuck a princess, I'm a king.
Fuck a princess, I'm a king. Yo, I'm living for this line.
It's gonna hurt, it'll sting. Spitting up blood in the sink. I'm crazy, but you like that. I'm right back, dances on your nightstand. Never forget I blossom in the moonlight. Screw eyes, glacier with the blue eyes. I'm terrified.
Oh my god, her style.
Cinderella, but I like the shoes. Big glass platforms, bitch, I'm choosy. Long blue hair, blue as a bruise. Only trust a fella for some light amusement. I'm no prey, but I am pursued. Pray for me, not on the church's pews. No distraction can confuse me. Whiskey, my hip flask, nothing fruity.
Oh man.
Fuck a princess, I'm a king. Bow down and kiss on my ring. Being a bitch is my kink. What the fuck else did you think? Fuck a princess, I'm a king. Bow down and kiss on my ring. It's gonna hurt, it'll sting. Spitting up blood in the sink. I'm crazy, but you like that. I'm right back, dances on your nightstand. Never
my god.
I'm in the moonlight. Screw eyes, glacier with the blue eyes. I'm terrified. I'm crazy, but you like that. I'm right back, dances on your nightstand. Never forget I blossom in the moonlight. Screw eyes, glacier with the blue eyes. I'm terrified. La la la, la la la, la la la, la la. I'm terrified. La la la,
It's over.
la la la, la la la. I'm terrified.
Spitting fire. Firstly, what I was expecting and what I got when I saw the name as Daisy, I thought maybe it's like a, I don't know, happy-go-lucky song. This is like she is completely giving it back to people. Like I am not a princess and all. Huh? I am the king. Go down and kiss my ring. Oh my god. I loved it. Firstly, I love this R&B hip hop style, the song, the vibe of the song. It's so out there, and it sounds boss like. Second, can we just talk about the visuals first? The visuals are next level. Her costumes, her styling, her makeup. No wonder when I read that, she's the edgy kind. Freaking hell, this is too good. Her singing style, yes, her vocals are very unique. That's what another thing, the third thing that I noticed, that her vocals are extremely unique. She's not singing sort of in a tune. It's a little bit vocal rap combination, which I liked. It's not really completely rap. It's not completely vocal. It's a mix of both. She's blended it really well. I am intrigued after looking at this. I want to check out a couple of her more videos. Are they as edgy? Huh? I don't know. Whoever is watching, if you know of this artist, do let me know. Do give me some context. Maybe I'll react to her breakout song, the one which got her attention in 2019. Oh wow. I can't get that line out of my head. I am not a princess, but I'm a king. And I'm not crazy, but I bite back. Oh my god, the lyrics are just next level. The lyrics are just next level. It's like, don't mess with me. She's like, don't mess with me, okay? I'm just gonna give it back to you if you mess with me. Oh wow, I loved it. Great, Ashniko. This was Ashniko Daisy. Very edgy, very out there, very different. Something that I was really not expecting. I was expecting something else, like, you know, thinking of the name Daisy, but wow, just amazing. So yes, that was my reaction for today. This was Ashniko's Daisy. I hope you've come to the end of the video. This was a different experience for me, music wise. So yeah, that was it from me guys today, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.